Hi and welcome. This morning we're going to make iced brown sugar oat shaken espresso. For this you're going to need some brown sugar syrup, 2 double espressos, pitcher with some ice, some fresh ice in the cup afterwards, and some oat milk. First we're going to start off by putting the brown sugar into the mixer. I like 2 pumps in mine. Then we're going to add the 2 double espressos. Put the lid on. Put our strainer on. Pour over fresh ice. And then top it off with some oat milk. And there we go.